Hi Ray, thank you for letting me come around and view your conservatory from Conservatory Insulation Specialists. So since having your conservatory roof done, how has the temperature difference made?
Yeah, there's been a substantial difference. Obviously, the reason for having it done was that when we had the place renovated, we joined the kitchen and the conservatory together because they were two separate entities. And obviously, what that meant was that in the winter, the conservatory was and the area was quite cold, and so. I thought that it was worth trying to see whether we can make it more usable and more user-friendly, and not necessarily to use it to sit in all the winter, but to make it so that the temperature was bearable without spending a lot of money on heating. And from that point of view, it's worked very successfully.
Yeah.
The added benefit, of course, is that the ceiling now looks a lot more attractive than the polycarbonate sheeting, which is on top of it.
Yeah.
So it's made a definite difference. The temperature is much better. It is a north-facing conservatory, which means it's never going to be boiling hot, but it is much better than it was. I can use the kitchen and the conservatory as a room, which before I would spend as minimal amount of time in the kitchen as possible because it was pretty cold.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's been a great benefit to us.
Oh, good. I'm so pleased. And how would you rate our customer service? Have you been satisfied from the fitting to aftercare?
Yeah, I have no complaints at all. The chap who came measured it up, we agreed a price, and the work was done within relatively short time, and the guys who did the work were absolutely fine, so no problem at all.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
And lastly, would you recommend our company to family and friends?
Oh yeah. If I knew anyone who wanted a conservatory done this sort of thing, yes, I would put your name forward. Yeah.
Brilliant. Yeah. Okay, well, thank you very much, Ray.
Thank you.